Welcome to the Simcenter FEMAP Teamcenter integration demo. The integration provides capability to seamlessly connect to Teamcenter and allows rapid search for design and manage data revisions. It facilitates collaboration within a distributed team by providing the ability to access the right information quickly. Teamcenter commands are accessible through PDM menu or Teamcenter toolbar. Like any other toolbar, the Teamcenter toolbar can also be repositioned or undocked by dragging it from the handle present on the leftmost portion. Let's see how we can add the active model to Teamcenter. From Teamcenter toolbar, click on Save. We are prompted to sign in, if we are not signed in already. Enter the credentials and click on Sign In button. On successful sign-in, Teamcenter Save dialog box is shown. The left side in the dialog box is used to search for dataset objects on Teamcenter, where the model could be saved to. We can enter the existing item ID and revision ID for search. If we don't have an existing item revision, click on Create button. Use Assign button to auto-assign the next available item ID and revision ID. Specify a representative name for the item object. We can use Browser folder to select an existing folder on Teamcenter. Click Create to continue. From the Teamcenter Rack application, we can see that the new item revision is successfully created. In the Teamcenter Save dialog, the newly created item ID and revision ID are filled into the respective fields. Click Search button to proceed. Since there are no existing datasets in the newly created item revision, we are prompted with an empty dataset name field. Enter the name and click Save to proceed with uploading the model to Teamcenter. In Teamcenter Rack application, we can see that the new dataset is successfully created. From named references of the dataset, we can verify that files are uploaded successfully. Now, let's see how we can open a model from Teamcenter and update it. From Teamcenter toolbar, click on Open. Enter the existing item ID and revision ID for search. You can also select from most recently used item revision from the item ID combo box. Click on Search button. All matched files from the given item revision are listed in the table. We can also use wildcard and item ID or revision ID input to broaden the scope for the search. Each column in the table displays the details about the matched models. Right-click on the column header to toggle the visibility of columns. Any update done to column visibility and column order will be auto-applied when you visit the dialog next time. Left-click on the column header to sort the rows of the table into ascending or descending order. Select the desired model to be opened. Read-only checkbox at the bottom could be used to open the model for review. Click Open button to download and open the selected model from Teamcenter. When a model is opened from Teamcenter, the title displays details about the item ID and revision ID. Hover over the model title to get additional information about dataset name and file name. When a model is not checked to be opened as read-only, Simcenter FEMAP attempts to check out the data in Teamcenter during open operation. Data Checkout provides us an exclusive access to update the data on Teamcenter. We can see the status of model checkout in the status bar. Hover over to see a brief explanation. Other values of the status could be, in work when the data is checked out by someone else, or, obsolete when the model in Simcenter FEMAP is not up to date compared to the data on Teamcenter. To update the checkout status, left-click on the status and click Refresh. For models open from Teamcenter, we can access the checkout and check-in from the toolbar. Let's analyze the model and save the stress distribution on the model. Post making changes to the model, click on Check-in to update the model on Teamcenter. Check-in ensures that the current model in Simcenter FEMAP is uploaded to Teamcenter, and the exclusive lock to the data on Teamcenter is released subsequently. When working in a team, effective use of checkout and check-in helps ensure that we are not corrupting or stepping over the data, and our data remains safe and secure. This is one of the generic ways to import CAD design from Teamcenter. When design data is uploaded, it's a usual practice to add a representative JT model of each individual part for quick visualization in Teamcenter. This feature makes use of structure, also known as BOM view revision defined in Teamcenter item. During the operation of import, the structure is expanded, and each individual JT part is positioned using the transformation defined in the structure. To create the full model in Simcenter FEMAP, let's view a sample assembly and the objects in Teamcenter Rack application. Item ID 031879 is a single-level assembly of a 4-bar mechanism, designed using solid edge. Double-click on the BOM view revision to open it in Structure Manager. We can see all 5 child parts listed here. Move back to my Teamcenter application. Click on the item revision of a subpart. From Details tab, we can see that each part has a direct model dataset type. This contains the JT model of the part. This dataset is used in the Viewer tab for quick visualization of the model, and the same model will be used during Shattered JT import operation. Now, let's see how we can import this in Simcenter FEMAP. From Teamcenter toolbar, click on Import Shattered JT Assembly. Let's select the item ID and revision ID from the most recent list. Click on Search to proceed. Select the desired revision rule and variant rule from the list. Click on Import to proceed. As we can see, the full model is assembled and ready to be processed further in Simcenter FEMAP.